Just imagine, if you woke up one day and all your food was gone. Your house was a big mess and the oven was turned on. What happened exactly? You really can't tell. But that's what happened to our friend Giselle. It was a lovely morning, just like all others. But when Giselle arrived, she was burdened with troubles.
These are good.
Yeah, my mom makes the best pancakes in the world.
Look, it's Giselle. Hey, Giselle, come join us. Have some of these delicious pancakes. Thanks. I'm not hungry. What's wrong, Giselle? You guys, I think a thief broke into my house. What? Food has been going missing from my home, but I didn't think much of it. But the amount of food disappearing kept getting bigger and bigger. And yesterday, all of my food went missing. And there was a huge mess at my house. I even found the oven turned on. My house could have burned to the ground.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Are you okay?
This sounds really dangerous. What if this happens to my house next?
Calm down. Whatever it is, I'm sure we can deal with it. Giselle, let's go to your house and check it out.
And so, they left for Giselle's house. They had no idea what would be waiting for them.
Oh dear, what a mess.
Did you not hear them at all?
I heard noises, but by the time I got up, they were gone.
Did they take anything else other than food?
No, nothing else is missing.
So how do you explain all this mess?
Maybe they were trying to find their way in the dark. I think Bingo's right. They didn't want to turn the lights on so no one would see them.
Yes, but there are more important things. A thief had been here last night, and I don't think Giselle had time to worry about all the dishes.
You're right. These are not mine. I didn't use these. That means that whoever was here didn't just steal the food. They ate it all here. That would explain why the oven was on. They cooked.
Okay, calm down. We'll figure out a plan to catch them. But first, let's clean everything up.
They started cleaning the house, trying to help their poor friend out, while being so worried about what's going to happen next.
Any idea how we're going to catch them?
I have an idea. We'll have a neighborhood watch. You know, we'll stay up around the house so we can catch them as soon as they come near.
Sounds great. Giselle, why don't you go and get some sleep? We'll take care of it. Thanks, guys.
They all sat in anticipation, ready to jump on the thief without any hesitation. But hours passed by with no one in sight. They started to become very, very tired.
Does anybody else feel a little bit sleepy?
Yeah, and cold, and a little hungry. Parrot, do you see anyone from up there?
No one's around.
Guys, you can go home. I'll stay here for the rest of the night. I'm not tired. Good morning.
What happened after we left? Did you see them?
I heard a noise from the bushes near the house, but no one was there. They must have seen me, got scared, and ran away.
Wow, you must have looked so tough. How did you get them so scared?
I'll teach you guys. First, you have to stand chin up, hands on your waist, and look so focused. Then, you walk back and forth in front of the house, so they wouldn't have a chance. Don't get distracted by anything, and most importantly, carry a weapon.
A weapon?
Yes, these are mine.
A salt shaker and a ladle?
It's a pepper shaker. You sprinkle it in their eyes and then hit them with a ladle.
Ooh, scary. Okay, I think I got it. I'm going to be on neighborhood watch duty tonight. I'll go get ready. See you all later.
And so, with a big responsibility to bear, Bingo guarded the house, steady and aware.
Zebra, what are you doing?
What? Where am I?
Giselle's house.
What is that noise? Did you catch it?
Yes, it's Zebra. He's been sleepwalking and eating all your food.
Oh no! Giselle, I'm so sorry. I wasn't stealing your food. This happened before. I sleepwalk a lot. Don't be mad.
I can't believe it's been you all along. That is so funny.
You're not going to tell everyone about it, are you?
If she doesn't, I will. I knew you couldn't scare a thief away with a ladle.
You could! You know what? I'm just happy Giselle is safe. I'll just go home now. I need some sleep.
Mr. Fox was known for his kindness in helping others. Everyone went to him for advice, even Woody, the jungle carpenter. After being assigned the task of building a really big ship, he went to Mr. Fox, seeking his wisdom. Mr. Fox listened carefully to what Woody had to say, and in turn, promised to help him. He started a research on shipbuilding, and after hours and hours of hard work, he finally got it.
Yes! I've got it! But there is something I need to check first.
Mr. Fox went for a walk in the jungle, looking carefully at every tree on his path. Then he stopped in front of one and said,
Yes! That's the one!
Immediately, Mr. Fox took a paint bucket. He wanted to mark the tree, so he wouldn't forget which one it was. After that, he got into his car and drove off. When he got home, he called Woody to tell him that he had found the perfect solution to his problem. It only took a few minutes before...
Oh, Woody, right on time.
Come on, Mr. Fox, tell me.
Okie dokie, come in. I finally figured it out.
I never doubted you, Mr. Fox. I was sure you'd be the one to help me find an answer to my problem.
Oh, don't mention it. Here you go. These are blueprints. They're guidelines that will help you learn how to build the ship easily.
Woody started reading the blueprints thoroughly. He knew most of what was written in it, so he looked up and said,
It's a lot easier than I thought. Thank you so much, Mr. Fox. Oh, but Mr. Fox, what about the materials that I'll need to build it?
Here's a list of all the materials you'll need.
And what about the kind of wood I should use, Mr. Fox?
I did extensive reading, and I found out that our ancestors were famous for using teak in the process of building ships, as it's really stiff, strong, and it can also be shaped to have wide planks, which would help the ship to withstand the waves of the sea.
But
I know you don't know what teak is. Not everyone does. But come along. I think it would be better to show you the tree I found earlier in the jungle.
Our jungle?
Of course! Everything you dream of can be found in our beautiful jungle.
Mr. Fox got into his car with Woody by his side and drove off. They headed towards the tree that Mr. Fox had marked earlier.
Here's the tree.
Huh? I have loads of that wood in my store, but I never knew that I could use it to build ships.
I didn't know about teak either. But with a little bit of research, everything is open to you, my friend.
Mr. Fox, I can't thank you enough. I'm really happy right now. I'll never forget what you've done for me.
It's my pleasure, Woody.
Now that I know what I should do, I'll go back and start building that ship for Nate as fast as I could. Thank you again, Mr. Fox.
So, after helping his friend, Mr. Fox got into his car and drove away happily. You know, it's true what they say. A friend in need is a friend indeed. It was a bright sunny day. Mr. Fox had had his breakfast and was now out doing his morning exercises. It was then when he saw Woody, who was passing by.
Ah, Woody, how are you? Haven't seen you in a while. I really missed you.
I'm fine, Mr. Fox. I really missed you. I hope you're doing great.
Why does he look so sad? I hope nothing bad has happened. You look a bit down, Woody. Is everything all right? Are you okay?
Oh, Mr. Fox, I really need your help with an urgent matter.
Don't you worry, my friend. Big or small, every problem has a solution. I assure you, everything will be all right.
Oh, I know, Mr. Fox. I can always count on you.
Let's go inside. I'll get you something to drink, and then we can sit down and you can tell me all about your problem. Let's go.
Woody followed Mr. Fox to his house. There, Mr. Fox prepared something special for Woody to help make him feel better.
I made you some fresh orange juice. This will help you relax and cheer you up.
Oh, you're very generous. I love orange juice. Thank you. Mr. Fox, I'm really sorry to bother you over and over again, but I had no choice.
Oh, no worries, my friend.
You know, Mr. Fox, I'm the jungle carpenter. My business has been growing recently, and now I have many customers.
Yes, you're a hard worker. You deserve it.
I used to build boats for fishermen. I got famous for my skills, especially after I built Nate the fisherman the boat of his dreams. He went and told everyone in the jungle about it. They overwhelmed me with requests.
That's fantastic. I'm really glad to hear that.
But Nate came to me yesterday and asked if I could build him a ship. One big enough for him and all his friends, as he is planning to go on a fishing trip. It's for a special trip, he said.
Yes, I've heard about that.
Well, the problem is, I've never built a ship before, and I have no clue what kind of wood I'm supposed to use. I don't know what to do. How will I build him the ship he needs without the proper wood? Will you help me, Mr. Fox?
Whoa, that's a serious problem. I'm gonna have to look through my books. Well, you're never too old to learn something new. I could use some time. I'll call you as soon as I find a solution.
I will be waiting for your call. I know you'll be able to help me, Mr. Fox.
After Woody left, Mr. Fox started his researches on shipbuilding. After hours and hours of hard work, he finally got it.
Yes! I've got it!
But what did he get? We'll find out in the next episode.